Hi guys, it's another beautiful day. This LED TV have only two issues. The power to the LED, you have an issue, that is the mini board built for it is blown up due to voltage fluctuation. So as you can see, this capacitor was shot out. So now if you turn it on, the TV will be on, but the screen will be blank. Meanwhile there is a display, but you won't see anything. So the affected area is only the LED. So what we are going to do now, we look for another board. If you know the right voltage that go to the LED, there are several ways you can get voltage to the LED. Either you use voltage regulator to get the desired voltage, or you get exactly this kind of board back. If you get time, you can still repair this board, but I don't have that time. So what I'm going to do is to get another board. So the next thing I do was to remove a similar panel from this LED bulb, this AKT. Okay, so that was the similar one that was there. But before I supply in this one, I will make sure the voltage is okay before I put it in, not to damage the LED bulbs inside. Okay, so I've connected the new panel for the LED power supply. So these two cables out of the panels from normal LED bulb is supplying power to the TV LED. So they have similar voltage. Here the output of this board is rating positive and negative, so don't interchange it. So the incoming power to the LED board is AC. So it doesn't matter if you interchange it to neutral or live, but make sure the incoming voltage is AC. Okay, so to prove that what we just did is working, before I normalize it to supply the AC voltage to this LED board, I will first of all test this TV. You will see that it's blank. You will not see anything on the screen, but when I power this LED bulb, you will see that everything will be showing on the screen. Okay, so Interpol, help me power it on. Okay, so the TV is turned on now. So if I bend it over, so it's currently on, but it's blank because there's no light in it. So you can see the power light is on here, but the screen light is blank because the LED board that supply power to the LED light is having issue. So we just replace it though, but we have not powered the board. So what I'm going to do right now is to supply AC voltage to this LED board, and when I do it, you will see that there will be light on the screen. So watch me do that now. So turn off the TV. I'm connecting the AC supply to the board now. I have already supplied the AC voltage to the board. The AC voltage comes directly from the same AC supply to the panel of the main panel of the TV. So I just tap in the AC voltage from there, so it comes to this mini board. Just a reminder, I removed this board from normal LED bulb. So the same LED that is used by the bulb, something like this, is the same LED that is used by the TV. So the same board can power it. So I just replace it with this bulb LED. So let's watch out for testing. Continue. So I'm going to plug the TV now. I turn it on. So can you see that? So let's power it on with the remote. Here's the remote. Okay. Alright, so can you see the LED now? So on the screen you can see it. Okay. Alright, so that is all. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share with friends. Have a nice day.